Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can
Hello?
hear you. Ma'am, I am Shiv
Yes, ma'am.
Shukla.
Yes.
I can
Okay,
hear you.
okay,
Hmm.
okay. So now when Peter Drucker tries to talk about leadership skills, what does he say? He says that leadership is basically shifting your own vision to higher spirits, raising man's performance and to higher standards. But what are higher spirits? The higher spirit says that a leader would always try to channelize his employees into a spirited mode where he or she is concerned to work for the organization. So, performance on the highest standards. Now, your leader can expect from you that you have to have your for functioning well. You want to have some motivational skills. So the leader always wants to
मैम आपकी आवाज
expose.
ब्रेक होके आ रही है, समझ में नहीं आ रही है.
Your voice is not clear.
Ma'am,
It's not clear.
ma'am, just, hello. मैम
Hello.
मैं आपका वीडियो ऑफ कर दे रहा हूँ, आप सिर्फ वॉइस को ही यूज करिए, ठीक है?
Okay, okay, okay.
आई थिंक वहां पे बैंडविड्थ की कुछ प्रॉब्लम है.
Oh, अच्छा, ठीक है, no issues.
ठीक है. मैम चेक करिएगा.
अब तो फीचर दिख रहा है. What I can see my picture. हम अपना से ऑफ कर दे क्या?
हाँ, अपने से ऑफ कर दीजिए.
Okay. Yes, I have my video.
हाँ, अब धीरे धीरे स्टूडेंट्स धीरे धीरे आवाज जो है वो क्लियर हो जाएगी. जैसे जैसे बैंडविड्थ मिलेगा आवाज क्लियर हो जाएगी.
Oh, अच्छा.
ठीक है. ठीक है मैडम.
So shall I start now?
यस मैम.
Can I start?
यस मैम.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay. So what leadership says is that you have to have your own vision. And when you have your own vision, it goes to a higher spirit because employees all
आई थिंक गांगुली मैडम की कनेक्शन लॉस्ट हो चुकी है, वो अभी फिर आ जाएंगे.
These digital classes
हेलो.
digital classes is not good.
हेलो.
Yes, sir. Is the digital classes?
यस, दिस इज अ डिजिटल क्लास.
Sir, it is not good.
No, actually it is good, but the digital class is organizing by whole management. Okay, so the bandwidth, this is the problem. This is the problem of bandwidth that you are using it at your net. ठीक है, तो ये बैंडविड्थ की प्रॉब्लम के कारण ये दिक्कतें हमें आ रही हैं.
Hello.
हेलो.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, let's continue. I think.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, there are certain characteristics of leadership. Now, what is the characteristics? You have to be consistent. You have empathy. And you also have to be and over that, you will always need a leader is not operated by itself. And is on the head, you have to raise the performance level. Suppose if you're a leader, people are going to look at you for your head. But in that case, if you're being efficient, nobody will listen. So leader has to come down to the level of his or her employees, should direct them in a proper way, in such a way, so that there is some kind of between the two. Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible?
मैम आवाज कट कट के आ रही है.
Oh,
आई थिंक सो. मैम आप जिस रूम में पढ़ा रहे हो ना उस
हेलो?
रूम से. यस मैम. मैम मैं शिव शुक्ला बोल रहा हूँ. हेलो.
हाँ, बोलिए ना. हाँ.
मैम मुझे लग रहा है आप जिस रूम में है वहां पे शायद कुछ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
नहीं, अब तो घूम रहे हैं हम तो घूम रहे हैं. अभी यहाँ पर आ रहा है कुछ?
हाँ, यहाँ पे क्लियर आ रहा है. यहाँ पे क्लियर आ रहा है. ठीक.
Is it? Okay, let me continue then. Okay, so now am I audible, students? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So,
Ma'am, please can you restart? Ma'am, please can
See,
you
the-
restart the chapter?
Okay. This chapter is about leadership skills, right?
Okay.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
leadership is one of the important functions of management, as you know, because the PPTs that are sent, you must have already read it. But in short, leadership can also involve in directing, influencing, and motivating. Because a leader, if he or she fails to motivate, then for the employees, it's a very big problem. And in fact, influencing. A leader always has to influence others. Now, how does he or she influence? By coming to the level and stepping into their shoes so that the problems are better understood from the leader's side, not the employee's side. So, Peter Drucker said that leadership is actually, shifting one's vision to higher spirits and to raise a man's performance to higher standards. See, if you raise a person's standards, obviously the expectations is going to go up. But so if the expectations go up, the leaders also believe that no, this employee can actually do it. Therefore, there are lots of characteristics which are involved in this leadership. For example, the characteristic that first comes is empathy. Empathy means what? You always have to feel that my employees are my own. So it is not only a case of empathy, it is also a case of sympathy. You have to sympathize as a leader to your employees. Next comes honesty. Am I audible now?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, so next comes, it is honesty. How honest am I to my employees to see that their performance is going up? Next comes needs and support. I suppose if I'm a leader, what kind of a leader I am? Do I have the employees who follow me or, talk behind my back? Once the employees loses confidence in a leader, no organization can function. Next comes, what is the difference between managers and leaders then? See, a manager is only managing the things that has been directed upon. He's just a manager, he's just managing. See, when you are cooking in the kitchen, if something there's a short of sugar, you're going to manage with molasses, yeah, good, for any kind of a preparation. So that is, you're just being a manager. But then, who is a leader? A leader has to be strongly focused not only for these employees, but a leader also should have a good organization with good people in and around. He has to be very resourceful. And last, he should be very, very effectively communicative. Now, when I say effectively communicative, it means that I am forgetting my status, I am forgetting my standards, and I have to droop down in order to help my employees. Because if I do not have any empathy for my employees, there is no point in running an organization. For example, I'll give you a very simple example. Now, a leader of a very small tea shop. Now there are 5 people, but the person who is managing that tea shop must know the employees that are working for him. One makes tea, one brings the groceries, one lightens up or beautifies the shop, and the other keeps an account. Now, can you believe that if one of the person, suppose he has not lighted up his shop, obviously the customers are not going to come. Therefore, what is the function of a leader here then? The leader has to command, not demand now. The leader has to command to the person who has not lit up his shop. Therefore, he has to make it a point that, okay, fine, what were the reasons why you couldn't do it, or whether it was a deliberate option, you have not done it. Therefore, that is the first part. Now comes to the joining hands with all of them. Now, when they join hands, all of them, the leader is, what does the leader do? He is happy because he is happy to see that his employees are for the little organization that he has started for. Therefore, he also must direct those people for leveling a higher spirit. Now, how does he do that? Now, see, the leader has 2 options. One option is to be very, very formal. And what is the other option? To be very, very informal. Now, suppose I am an employee, I go to one of my boss and say, sir, I'm feeling very sick. So would you like to give me a leave today because I'm not feeling well? What do my boss say? No, you have to complete the job. I'm suffering from high fever. So he says, no, I'm sorry, you have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Therefore, leader has failed in having human qualities to see that people are not functioning well and cannot function well like this. But what will a good leader do? A good leader will come down to the level of the employee and he will say, okay, if you're having fever, you can take 1 day leave, or if you're not well tomorrow, you can also take a leave tomorrow, and I have other resources. I have some other resources so that they can come and complete your work. See, this is where the leader's empathy or sympathy comes in. Therefore, he is a good leader. Now, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because you're not responding, so I thought again the connection has got lost.
No. Actually, ma'am, I have switched
Actually,
on.
ma'am, we have muted.
Ah?
मैंने सभी का म्यूट कर दिया है जैसे एक्सटर्नल नॉइज ना आए, और अभी आपका वॉइस बहुत क्लियर आ रही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Okay. So I'll continue.
ठीक
Okay.
है.
So next what happens? Okay. So next what happens is leading also involves some kind of motivating. Now, a leader, how can the leader motivate his employees? What can be the parameters for motivating the leaders? There are n number of parameters, but the main parameter is the first one, and the very important aspect of that parameter is he has to give them a plan of operation. Now, when he gives a plan of operation, what happens? Everybody is excited to do. Why everybody is excited to execute that plan? Because they feel that when the leader is coming down to the level of empathy, why not we also contribute? Let us contribute together. Therefore, the leader can motivate. Now, take for example another leader who is totally, being very, very formal. Obviously, the employees are not going to see that there is a pressure. Everybody is under pressure. So there are two ways of work, in a leadership quality or people who are coming under a leader. There are two ways. There are two-way process. One-way process, either I follow my leader with love, or I follow my leader by fear. And see, whenever following a leader as of fear is concerned, motivation ceases. You will not have any motivation to do the job, because here you will find that the leader is always bulldozing whatever his or her employees are doing. Therefore, he cannot be a good leader. Now, let us come to another parameter of manager and a leader. Now, who is a manager and who is a leader? I can manage things, okay, fine. I can do with 2 shirts. I can also do with 1 shirt. That is a manage. Okay, I can employ 5 people. I can also employ 2 people. I can manage somehow. But then, who is a leader here? Manager is only manager, nothing to do with management. It has got some part to do with management, but not all. Therefore, a leader is very different from a manager. A leader controls the manager. A leader snubs the manager. A leader also scolds and directs the manager how to behave and how to channelize organization. That is the main chronology. That is the main crux of being a leader. Now, let us come to a leader who is assuming, who is doing assumption. Now, what is an assumption? Assumption means I am able to realize what my SWOT is. What are my threats? I have to do my SWOT analysis in different forms. If I can see the threat that is coming to my organization, certainly I'm going to warn my employees, thinking that all my employees are working for my organization. Therefore, here the similarity of Peter Drucker comes. It is shifting one's own vision. If I am a leader and I only think about my vision, that is the wrong method of being a leader. So Peter Drucker, when he says that if I am shifting my own vision to a higher spirit, it raises the performance level of the employee. Is it clear till now?
Ma'am, clear.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am,
So,
clear.
okay. So, every leader has to have an aspect of an assumption. If I have employed 10 people, I have to have some assumption to think that out of 10 people, 4 people are not going to deliver justice to my organization. Therefore, as a leader, there are 2 kinds of leader who steps in. First leader will throw away all those 4 people who have not worked for him. But a greater leader comes in and steps in to see that all these 4 people are first warned. What are the things that you couldn't do? But he will certainly not give pink slips to them. He will not throw them out. It shows a greater leadership quality from the first leader who just sees his own vision. नहीं, मुझे तो मेरा organization को चलाना है, but somehow or the other. Therefore, अगर मुझे कुछ organization चलाना है, so in that case, what am I going to do? I'm going to throw these 4 people, the non-performers. That's not good. That's not being a good leader. The greater leader, what he is going to do is, he is going to step in. He is going to step in and say, what are the problems of those 4 people who could not deliver justice to his organization. Therefore, what happens is he comes in and he advocates and advises him, all these 4 people, what to be done next. But still, if they don't deliver the justice again for the second time, there'll be a second warning. And ultimately, the third warning is obviously he is going to show the pink slips. So there are variations of even in leadership, there are lots of, I can't say he is a leader, she is a leader. I can't say that until and unless it is submerging one's own vision to raise the spirits and the performance of the higher standards. And lastly, there is one very good thing about a leader, a leadership quality. That there is the first one which comes is the integrity. Now, what is integration? Do you have any idea what integration is all about? Any one of you? Come on, it's a interactive class. Aarti,
Yes, ma'am.
what is
Ma'am,
integration? Now, when we say,
to
yes.
work with each other in a group.
Yes, integration means I have the capacity, I will do it, and I will also see to it that people work for my organization. So what happens? Yes.
ले ले
Okay. So integration means that I am able to contribute to my organization by taking one and all. Now, say for example, I'm giving a very simple example of ICFI University, right? Now, there are so many people working in different fields, so many subjects, but can you forget, even for a second, that the guards who are working for us, who are standing at least 9 to 10 hours, giving us security. Next, come the ladies who are serving tea, who are cleaning the organization, who are keeping the organization spick and span. So we also have to integrate them, because integration means also going hand in hand with from the higher level to the middle level and even to the level who have come down. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, last part, let us come to direction. Now, what is this direction? Direction means not, when people have got very wrong ideas, directing, okay, direct kar do, you do this, you do that. No, it's a wrong concept. As far as Peter Drucker is concerned, direction is not that. Direction has got something to do with an analogy to give people of what you want as a leader. मानो तुम leader हो. Now you are a leader and you want that my personality suits me in the computer, near the computer. So what am I going to do? I'm going to give that person connecting to the computer. Now her personality matches to regularize or customize or directing the other employees. What am I going to do? I am going to, as a leader, I am going to enforce Mr. B or Mr. C that you please go, because your personality matches that field. So you go, and he will continue to direct the personality who will go and deliver justice to the stream that he is or he is in for. Right? And
Yes, ma'am.
last, you see, and last, if you have any question, you can ask me also. See, another thing is motivation. Now, when motivation comes, as I've already told you how to motivate, that forms major crux of the matter as far as leadership is concerned. Without motivation, employees will lose not only control, and they will go havoc in trying to create more problems for the leaders. Because motivational factor is even people without any importancy, if they are motivated, they will walk miles and miles together. See, in English there is a saying for motivation. Okay, in English there is a saying, they say that you give me an inch, I will walk for a mile. You walk, you give me an inch. You motivate me an inch, and I'm going to walk with you for a mile. This is called motivation. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now tell me, yes. Okay, now Aarti or Arish, whoever there, Himad, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Himad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, as far as let us go a bit back. Now, which of the parameters of the leader you have liked? What are the parameters? One of the parameters which you have liked. Aarti, Arish,
Ma'am, motive
yes.
that they have to motivate their employees.
Ma'am,
Okay, good. Arish, which parameter you find that a leader has to do justice or he is a leader?
And one more thing, ma'am, a leader should not be informal.
Yes. A leader, as I said, leader has two qualities. One is the formal and the other is informal. See, at some point of a time, leader cannot see. You cannot expect a leader every time to be friendly, can you? No.
No, ma'am.
He has to be formal. Yes. So you have to be formal. But being formal does not mean that you misbehave with an employee who has been working for years together. That is what is called motivation. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
be in
Now, yes. How much time do we have, Dr. Shukla?
Ma'am, 5 minutes. Ma'am,
5 minutes left.
5 minutes. Okay. Huh. Okay. Now I'll wind up within 5 minutes.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll wind up within 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. You can bind up
Yes,
in 5
ma'am.
minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, staying in connection, and effective. See, last one, a leader has to be very, very resourceful. Now, why do you mean it is resourceful? What is resourceful? See, the thing is, in a resourceful capacity, if the leader has the capacity to take 10 people, he will take. But then, if he finds that being resourceful, if I find that two people can put in some extra effort, my organization is going to run a little more. So, what happens is he will employ three more people. So, he is being resourceful here. He wants his organization to run and run well. Therefore, he is going to take three more people and be resourceful and see that his organization is going to run. Is it clear till now?
But, ma'am, I have a question.
Ati,
Ma'am, actually, I have a question. Can I?
is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear, but I have a question. May I?
कट रहा है?
Hello.
No, ma'am. Aarti wants to ask some question.
वॉइस कट रहा है क्या?
नहीं नहीं
No,
voice
ma'am.
clear आ रही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Aarti wants
wants-
अभी
to
आए?
ask a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, as far as the resourcefulness is concerned, everybody has to be resource. It's not only of only being a leader. Even at home, you see, whenever a resource person comes, we start enjoying. Why? Because we know that this man or this lady is going to be very, very efficient. So, I have to be resourceful. Now, say, for example, in a marriage party, there are lots of people who are coming to share their views, to enjoy. But a person who is called resourceful in marketing, in
Again, you are not audible.
Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मैम कनेक्शन कट गई है आपकी लगता है। हाँ हाँ ठीक है, देख लीजिएगा एक बार, देखिए चेक कर। ओके। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। ठीक। हाँ हाँ मैं ऑनलाइन ही हूँ। ठीक 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 ठीक। हाँ बस 2-3 मिनट और बस। ठीक ठीक। जी जी मैम, आपकी वॉइस बिल्कुल क्लियर रही है। ठीक है, वो थोड़ा सा दिक्कत बैंडविड्थ पे होती है तो। हाँ ठीक ठीक। हाँ ठीक 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 ओके। ये एक बार आकर बस वो ये कर दीजिए, क्लोजिंग सेशन कर दीजिए, बस एक बार आ जाइए। एक्चुअली नहीं मैम, आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है एक्चुअली सर। मैम वो रजिस्ट्रार सर भी है। हाँ इसलिए आ जाइए। ठीक ठीक। हाँ रिकरेक्ट करके एक बार आ जाइए। ठीक। हाँ हाँ मैं अभी वॉइस क्लोज करके आपको बता रहा हूँ। ठीक ठीक।
Hello.
यस हेलो। मैम इज रिकनेक्टिंग इन ए while, जस्ट वेट फॉर अ सेकंड।
Sir, now we can leave.
जस्ट वेट फॉर a 5 minute, सी इज रिकनेक्टिंग।
Okay. Okay.
मैं फिर से चेक करता हूँ, फिर मैं आपको कंक्लूड कर देता हूँ, ठीक है।
Sir, I have sent the mobile number of Ganguly ma'am. Please call her.
हाँ यस मैम, वो नहीं हो रहा है कनेक्ट क्या। चलिए ठीक है, मुझे लगता है फिर कुछ डेटा प्रॉब्लम हो गई हो या फिर आपके बैंडविड्थ चला गया। हाँ 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 ठीक है। ठीक है ठीक। हो गया, हाँ ठीक है, मैं क्लोज करवा दे रहा हूँ, मैं सेशन क्लोज करवा। ठीक है, ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay, bye everyone. Bye.
ओके
See you
बाय
tomorrow.
एवरीवन, यू कैन क्लोज योर सेशन। ओके
Bye, sir.
ओके बाय।
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
Thanks sir for your
Bye,
kind support.
sir. Bye,
थैंक यू
sir.
थैंक यू।
Oh.
Bye, Nilesh.